Good morning. One of the best ways to learn a language is through stories. Why? Because your brain loves a good story. You forget you are studying, you just listen and understand. Today I have a short, simple story for you at beginner level. I will read slowly and clearly. After the story, we will review vocabulary and answer 3 comprehension questions. Try to understand the story without reading the subtitles first. Vocabulary. Before we start, here are 5 important words. Number 1. Lost. Cannot find the way home. Number 2. Worried. Feeling nervous or scared about something. Number 3. Neighbour. A person who lives near you. Number 4. Search. To look carefully for something. Number 5. Finally. At the end, after a long time. Ready? Let's read the story. The story. Tom has a small brown dog. The dog's name is Max. Max is very friendly and loves to play in the garden. One Tuesday morning, Tom opens the garden gate. He goes inside to make breakfast. He forgets to close the gate. When Tom comes back, Max is not there. Tom looks left. He looks right. He calls, "Max! Max!" But Max does not come. Tom is very worried. He puts on his shoes and goes outside. He walks up the street. He asks his neighbour, Mrs. Brown, "Excuse me, did you see my dog?" Mrs. Brown says, "Oh yes, I saw a small brown dog running towards the park." Tom runs to the park. He searches everywhere, behind the trees, near the fountain, by the cafe. No Max. Tom is tired. He sits on a bench and takes out his phone. He calls his friend Lucy. "Lucy, Max is lost. I don't know what to do." Lucy says, "Don't worry, Tom. Post a photo on social media. People will help." Tom posts a photo of Max. He writes, "Lost dog. His name is Max. Friendly and loves biscuits. Please help." 20 minutes later, a woman named Sarah calls. She says, "I found your dog. He is at my house, eating biscuits and watching TV." Tom laughs. He goes to Sarah's house and finds Max, happy, full, and completely relaxed. Tom hugs Max and says, "I will never forget to close that gate again." And he never does. Comprehension questions. Let's check your understanding. I will ask 3 questions. You have 5 seconds to answer each one. Question 1. Why does Max get lost? Answer. Because Tom forgets to close the garden gate. Question 2. Who helps Tom find Max? Answer. His neighbour Mrs. Brown and his friend Lucy. Question 3. Where does Tom find Max? Answer. At Sarah's house, eating biscuits. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Vocabulary review. Let's review our 5 words in context. Lost. Max is lost. He cannot find his way home. Worried. Tom is very worried. He feels nervous and scared. Neighbour. He asks his neighbour Mrs. Brown. She lives near him. Search. He searches everywhere. He looks carefully in many places. Finally. Tom finally finds Max after a long time at the end. Can you make your own sentence using each word? Try it now. Write it in the comments. Story-based learning is one of the most powerful tools for language learners. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. I post a new story every week. Share this video with a friend who is learning English. They will thank you. See you in the next story.